Mednarodno uveljavljena strokovnjakinja za notranjo opremo Jade Van Baren živi v Sloveniji že vrsto let. V naših oddajah smo že večkrat predstavili njeno delo, tokrat pa nam je odprla vrata enega od njenih domov. Povabila nas je v svoje novo zatočišče v središču Ljubljane. Tako kot je še posebej zanimivo, kadar lahko obiščemo arhitekta v njegovem domu, smo kar težko čakali na priložnost, da spoznamo, kako si je opremljevalka notranjosti uredila svoje stanovanje. Želeli smo spoznati, kaj jo vodi, kadar oblikuje prostor zase in za svoje najbližje. Kakšno stanovanje je sploh iskala?
Yeah, it was a small flat for me and my husband. We were looking for something that, you know, when we sell our home in Ljubljana, that we could still have a boat hold in the city. But, you know, being foreigners, we have a lot of friends and family coming to visit us. And so we wanted to give them the experience of Ljubljana and to be able to stay here. We were able to get the ground flat, so it's perfect for our parents as well, who don't want to climb all the stairs. So that's what initiated it. And of course, Ljubljana is always a good investment, so that's always a part of the factor. The building, I love the old buildings in Ljubljana. So this one is from 1896. And it was such a treat because some of these older buildings in Ljubljana aren't restored. But this one is, and it's just as gorgeous on the outside as it is on the inside.
In kakšno je bilo stanje pred prenovo?
The main living room was divided by a huge closet that just split the room in two. And then what they did on the other side is they built a mezzanine floor for kind of a crawl space sleeping. And then underneath they had a little office. And then lo and behold, when we kind of took everything out, we found this what looked like there used to be a door there. So we uncovered the plaster and we found this old, you know, the old door, and we hadn't really changed the size because I kind of loved how, you know, you have like the father huge door and then the wee little brother door here.
During our first visit, you mentioned that this is mostly Art Deco. What made you choose this particular style?
Well, I mean, Ljubljana I love for its Art Nouveau era, and it's just celebrated all over the place. So when we have friends and family come here, I wanted them to experience that in the flat as well and give them the full, you know, glory of it. And so, you know, I did a bit of Art Nouveau and Art Deco in this space. And there's little elements everywhere that are kind of hidden gems. We have the wall light there that's very Art Nouveau, and then I have the Art Deco handles on the kitchens, you know, and just throughout the whole space, the hanging lamps, bookends, everything. I just tried to kind of celebrate that era.
Odkot izvirajo vsi ti različni kosi notranje opreme?
Well, I'm big into recycling. Obviously, I go to these big trade shows and sometimes I get a bit overwhelmed by how much we're still producing and how much we're throwing away. And so I have a fabulous Slovenian woman who has barns and barns of antiques, and they're unrestored, and I get to shovel through all of it and kind of pick my pieces, and then we choose kind of the restoration direction I want to take each piece in. And so I use her for most of my projects. I always try to incorporate as many Slovene antiques as I can. Whole bedroom pieces are all Slovenian, so we have the wardrobe and the bed. And then some of the other kind of more polished and more kind of trendier pieces I get from the Netherlands or from France or from other European cities. In the bedroom, we changed that. That used to be the kitchen. And there is an exposed stone wall there. And it looks a bit out of place, but because it was the kitchen, that was the backsplash for the kitchen. It's the original brick of the building, so I didn't want to get rid of it, but I definitely had to incorporate it into my colors and my design of the space. And then we have the balcony that overlooks the Ljubljanica. The apartment comes with a garden that everybody can share. And then we have a bathroom off the hallway that can be mistaken for an airport runway because it's just long and straight. And it was super challenging to work with that space. So I had to think of, you know, the different tiles and kind of give the illusion to make it feel more functional and wider than it is. In general, this apartment was supposed to be a place of pleasure. So all of the kind of daily utilities that we need, I like to try and hide. In the bathroom, the one thing I did have to work with super high ceilings. So what we did is we did a hidden door in the ceiling and we put the boiler up there. So there's a trap door so we can access it when we need it, but you don't see it. And the same goes, I'm not sure if you noticed, but in the bedroom I had a bespoke closet made in there, and in there I have the washing machine, the vacuum cleaner, so all of those unsightly things that, you know, we have to deal with but we don't want to see. So that's all hidden away.
Oblikovalka je prilagodila barvno paleto sten, pohištva in dodatkov izbranemu slogu notranje opreme.
To keep an authentic experience to this kind of Art Nouveau and Art Deco, I also used that same kind of palette that was used in those eras in this space as well. But I had some elements that I needed to work with. Like I told you before, that brick wall, that was kind of like a setting plaster pink. So I had to kind of get this for the bedroom color. And then we have the fireplace in here, which is this rich deep blue. So I wanted to incorporate that into the space as well. So I've gotten the blue velvet here on the chairs and on the lampshades and also in the posters. So you'll see pops of blue there. And also the dark green is incorporated throughout the space too.
Are the floors original?
Yeah, I was super excited to be able to just restore the floors because that's not always the case. So these floors are original. They were a bright yellow pine color to begin with. And so again, I needed to sand it all back and I picked this kind of brownish red. And you know, it reminds me of the redwoods in California where I used to live. And so it's a little bit of, you know, it's a little bit of the past that I can bring into my present. So I love the color. I think they turned out great. I hate to see floors destroyed. You know, they're the originals. They're so thick. They have so much longevity left in them, much more better than when you buy something new.
Ko vstopimo v stanovanje, nas stik za vhodnimi vrati preseneti velika, težka žametna zavesa.
So it's a very thick curtain, as you maybe saw, and it's floor to ceiling, and it just buffs out the noise and stops any of the drafts coming into the hall in the colder seasons.
At the start you mentioned that you bought this for like a kind of retreat for your husband and yourself. One would think of some other pleasures you can enjoy here.
Well, I mean, there hasn't been many benefits of lockdown, but one of the benefits that my husband and I have had is we've been able to come to the flat, leave the kids and the dogs in the house to them, and have a few hours to ourselves here, sipping wine on the balcony, just relaxing, chatting, and having our date nights in our little love shack.